Hello, sweet mates. This is Christine again, and welcome to this easy to follow guide on creating invoices in SuiteDash. In this video, we'll show you how to create invoices from scratch, explore essential invoice features, and dive into using custom fields to customize everything for your wedding planning services. So, let's get started. Let me show you first how to create invoices from scratch. First, as per usual, log into your SuiteDash admin account. From your dashboard, go to the billing section and select Invoices. Click on Add Invoice to start your fresh invoice. Fill in the invoice details including the client's name, title, due date, the date created, items, discounts, taxes, and subscription plans. You can also add terms and conditions, organization address, and a whole lot more. Add items to the invoice such as venue selection, catering, or photography. To add an item, just click on this one, Add New Item, and put a title, rate, and quantity. After adding all items, you scroll down and you can see the total of items that you have placed. If you're happy, save the invoice by clicking Save as Draft. Now, how do we add details using custom fields? Now, custom fields can also be used to add details if you have not known this with SuiteDash, but this is the feature that I personally love using SuiteDash. It's because of the custom fields. Now, a custom field must first be added. Let's return to the billing and select on settings. Click custom fields and add custom field button. Click Save after adding a label and a few important details to this custom field that you want to use for your templates or for your invoices. Now let's add this custom field to the invoice. Let's go back to the invoice that we just created. Scroll down and you can see custom fields. Check or click on the custom field that you want to add and put the value on the space aligned to it. Let's review our invoice, making sure that everything looks right. And once you're satisfied, click Save as Open to save it. The next part is to explore SuiteDash's invoice settings. This powerful feature allows you to customize various aspects of your invoices, your estimates, your subscription plans, documents or contracts, your items, the taxes and discounts, even custom fields, also the payment information, the paid portal, and the paid portal access. Now, let's get started. Let's go to billing and look for settings as what we did with custom fields for part 1. Click on Invoices within the settings page. Now, this is your hub for customizing all aspects of your invoices. You can put your invoice image in here, the currency that you would want to use throughout your platform, your invoice prefix, invoice starting number, and the tax decimal numbers, organization address, and a whole lot more. You can also choose to send a thank you email or a thank you letter after the payment. And you can even have like a payment reminder to your clients or your prospects, or have a reminder when a due date is approaching. Next, we'll proceed to the subscription section. This is where you can configure subscription settings, including your billing cycles and payment methods for recurring charges. Now let's head over to items, where you can create and manage item lists to add to your invoices. In simple terms, items are the products that you would like to add to your invoice, or the services that you offer to your clients that would be in the invoice details. And each item has their own price, has their own rate. Next, let's navigate to taxes to configure tax rates for your invoices. After that, you can also go to discounts to set up different discount options. And just like what we have done, let's dive into custom fields. So we have a custom field section here. Within invoice settings, you can add custom fields to your invoices to include additional business-specific information. As a best practice, I strongly recommend that you test your customizations to ensure everything is working as intended. The last thing you would want is any hiccups when you send invoices or estimates to your clients. Now, to do this, send a few test invoices, estimates, or subscriptions. You can send them to yourself or your colleagues within your organization. This allows you to experience the entire process from your client's perspective, ensuring that all settings are correctly configured and that your invoices and estimates are presented professionally and accurately. This step may save you from potential issues and ensure a seamless client experience. In this final section, we'll talk about how to make sure your clients receive your invoices, which is a very important step. But before we do that, you need to make sure that your customers can easily reach the billing section. In SuiteDash, we can use custom menu to accomplish this. Let's begin by going over the procedures that will enable you to streamline this for your clients. Click this circle to access information about your account, branding, staff. In the Your Branding area, select Custom Menus from the list. Look for Billing and click the Manage Visibility icon. To provide them access to the billing section, toggle the button for Client and then click Save. Go to CRM, Contacts, choose the contact, click the mask icon, and impersonate to make sure your clients can see the billing part of the invoice. Head to the billing section and view the invoices sent to your clients by clicking on Billing and then Invoices. Presto! You can now easily access and review the invoices we just created today. And there you have it. You now know how to create invoices in SuiteDash for your wedding planning services and how to leverage custom fields and custom menus to customize everything from invoice titles down to your services. Don't forget to explore and customize the many features SuiteDash offers for managing your invoices. Happy planning! Thank you for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more SuiteDash tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. You go to our website, which is just obi.services, or you can comment down below what features you want or you need help next. Happy planning, sweet mates!